For this activity, you and your partner or group will get a stack of word cards. In this case, it will be these words here, but they will be cut up for you. With your partner or group, you will read through all of these words. And I want you to remember the 6 ways ah was represented in the lesson earlier today. Remember, it could be represented with the letter O, the letters AU, the letters AUGH, the letters AL, the letters AW, and the letters OUGH. So for this lesson, let's look at the directions. First, we need to say the words with our partner. Then we need to sort the words, remembering the 6 ways. So you will go through this list here and make 6 different piles or groups depending on how the letter ah or the sound ah is represented. You'll read those words and then you're going to come over to this piece of paper, which each member of your group will have, and you will write down 3 of the words in each of your groups. So I have an example. This is one way of representing the sound ah with the letters A and L. We have chalk, almost, also, always, and halt. So this student decided to write the word almost, always, and halt. You only have to pick 3 words from each group that you create. Remember, you will have 6 groups total at the end of your sorting, but you only need to write 3 of the words from each group. So your total number of words that should be written on this paper is only 18.